Hi, in this video I am going to show you a small trick that will help you to edit your PDF files, and most people don't know this trick. So let's look at it. For better understanding, I have created a folder, and for this we need Microsoft Edge and then the PDF file that we wanted to edit of. Okay, so first of all what we are going to do is just place your cursor on the PDF file and drag and paste it in the browser, Microsoft Edge. So see, we can open the file very quickly, and there are plenty of options here available with Microsoft Edge that can edit. And for your information, I am going to edit my personal resume. See here, I am going to write. So there is an option called T here, which means text. We can write whatever we want here. Let's take an example that I wanted to write in my resume about a cover letter. We can also change the color of it. So, and also we can do one thing. Also we can sign or we can draw whatever we want. We can draw or we can sign it here. We can write anything that we wanted. I am willing, or I have sound good experience in designing sector with more than 10 years. See, once you are done with your writings, you can do one thing, that is save option, and you can find out that in the right top corner. Save option is there, and we can save that document. The document will be saved, and once you close it and wanted to check back again, so just open the file again in a PDF format. Once the file is open, you can notice that the editor file. So hope you understand how to edit a PDF file in Microsoft Edge. So for more updates like this and more techniques like this, please subscribe to my channel Excellent Vijay. Thank you so much for watching.